Are you confused between ITIL 4 and ITIL 5? Which one should you learn, and is ITIL 5 even real or just an update? In this video, I'll explain everything in the simplest way possible. Hi everyone, welcome to Prompt Edify. If you're planning a career in IT service management, understanding the difference between ITIL 4 and ITIL 5 is very important. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's understand ITIL 4. ITIL 4 is the latest official framework used by companies to manage IT services efficiently. It focuses on creating value for customers, improving service quality, aligning IT with business goals. Key concepts include the following: service value system, service value chain, 4 dimensions of service management. In simple words, ITIL 4 helps companies deliver better IT services. Now, what about ITIL 5? ITIL 5 is not a completely new framework. It is more like an evolution or future direction of ITIL. It focuses more on digital transformation, AI and automation, agile and modern ways of working. So instead of replacing ITIL 4, it builds on top of it. Let's CTA. If you want to start your ITIL journey, we at Prompt Edify offer complete ITIL training with expert guidance, real-world examples, and certification support. Check the link in the description or contact us to enroll in the next batch.